Welcome to Ethan News. Haiti is now entering a new stage of World Cup preparation. After the friendly matches, the focus moves to the official team base camp. And this is not only about the players. This is about the full national team delegation. When we say the team is entering the base camp, we are not talking only about the players. We are talking about the full delegation. The players, the coaches, the medical staff and administrators, and everyone responsible for preparation. This is where the World Cup environment becomes real. At this stage, the environment changes. The full delegation enters a coordinated World Cup security and logistics system. Transportation, media access, team movement, training access, and match protocols more controlled. It is not one group doing everything alone. It is a coordinated structure around the team. But it is important to understand something. The World Cup structure controls the environment around the team. But the football decisions stay with the national team. The coach and his staff decide the training, the tactics, the lineup, and how Haiti prepares for Scotland.
For the fans, this is a proud moment. It shows that Haiti is no longer just dreaming about the World Cup. Haiti is inside the World Cup environment now. And from this point forward, every detail matters.
This is the message. Haiti has entered the official World Cup preparation phase. The full delegation must stay focused, organized, and disciplined. And now, the next question is simple. Are the Grenadiers ready for Scotland?
Grenadiers, Alaso.